Hello students, welcome to today's class of math. Yes, excited for today's class? Okay, now today is 4th of June and we are going to start a new chapter in maths, that is numbers. Okay, we are in chapter number 3, numbers. So you may be familiar with this term number. Yes, maths means you are every time you are dealing with numbers only. Yes, now see here also few numbers are written 1052. Do we call this number 1052 or we say it number name as 1052? Here 8035. Yes, every number has a name, and in order to call out that name or identify that number, you should be able to understand the place value of each digit of that number. Okay, and many other things are there in order to compare that number. Like see here two numbers are there, 1052, 8035. If I ask you which is greater, 1052 is greater or 8035 is greater, then you have to compare. How you are going to compare? Yes, all these things, and how to write number names. Yes, and some numbers will be given to you, like for example I gave you 3642, and if I ask you, I have given you few digits, arrange those number to make it a very biggest number, a very smallest number. So how you are going to do? Okay, there for all these things you should be having a strong base of place value. Okay, so this chapter mainly consists of the concept of place value. Okay, so let us see what are the objectives of this chapter. We are going to learn about writing 4-digit number with place value chart. Okay, then we will understand identify or form greatest and smallest number, writing standard and expanded form of number. Okay, how to write a number in expanded form, that we will learn. Then we will try to compare the number. Okay, how to arrange them, which is greater, which is smaller, ascending order, descending order. Okay, you might have read this in your earlier classes also, student, but that time the number were very small. Either it was 1-digit, 2-digit number or maximum 3-digit number, but this year you are going to deal with 4-digit number. Okay, so let's get started with what are the things we are going to learn in today's class. Today we are going to recall the concept of ones and tens, which you have learnt in your previous class, and then we will move ahead with the concept of place value. Okay, and then we will try to understand place value in parallel with abacus beads. Okay, you are aware of abacus beads now. In your previous year also you might have read about or seen the beads of abacus. Yes, so all those things we are going to learn today and try to understand. So let's move ahead and understand the concept of ones and tens first. See here, student, see this one. First picture, this one shows 1. Okay, this one block means 1. Okay, so if like that 10 blocks are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 blocks are there. Okay, so it will become 10 ones. Okay, if anything is there, one piece, it is 1. If 10 pieces are there, separate 10 pieces are there, that time it become 10 ones. Okay, we call that 10 ones. But when they are clubbed together or joined together, that time they become 1 tens. Okay, now you remember, student, this one. Yes, see here, if this type of sticks are separately present, how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 sticks are here, so it will become 7 ones. Yes, they are separate, and this bundle consists of 10, so it become 1 tens. So how many tens are here? 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 tens. So 5 tens and 7 ones. Yes, so what is the number? 5 tens and 7 ones equal to 5 tens plus 7 ones equal to what number? 57. Yes, 5 tens means 50 and 7 ones means 7. So we are going to add 50 plus 7, that is 57. You remember you have done this in your previous year. Okay, so now let's move ahead back here. We were here this side. Okay, so let me tell you. So this, okay, so this equal to 1, here equal to 10 ones, and if they are grouped together they become 110. And if 10 tens like that are placed together, 10 tens equal to 100. Okay, now see here, 10 tens are arranged here. 10 tens are arranged here to form 100. Okay, now see, this is a page from your book. This equal to 100. Okay, here 200s are there. Here 1, 2, 3, 300s are there. Here 1, 2, 3, 400s are there. Now I hope, student, the concept of one sentence is now refreshed in your mind. Okay, you have recalled what you have learned in your previous year. See here, I hope it is very much clear. I have just now explained the bundles. Whenever any individual are placed, they are ones, but when these ones are grouped together or form a group that is of group of 10, then it become 110s. Okay, so here 110, 110, here 110, here 110, here 110, here 110, here 110, total 5 tens here, and 7 1, 5 tens and 7 1. Okay, so I hope you have recalled it very nicely. Now let's move ahead and understand the concept of place value. So what actually is place value? Every digit in a number has its place. Okay, and this place signifies the value of the digit in that number. If it is 1000, whether it is 100, whether it is tens or ones. See here, for a 4-digit number, in this year we are going to deal with 4-digit number. Okay, so whether number is placed in this place ones, or number is in tens, or number is in 100, or number is in 1000. So whatever place is there, that will be the value of number. Like for example, politics we say na, the importance of chair is there. Yes, so that number is sitting in which chair? So let me talk about a number 5. Okay, if that number get the chair of 5 or sit in tens place, what will the value of that number? It will become 5 into 10, that is equal to 50. Okay, and if that number sit in ones place, if that number is sitting here in ones place, so its value will be 5 into 1. Ones means 1. We will be multiplying it by 1. So it will be 5 only. Yes. And if that number 5 is simply sitting in this place, 1000. So it will be 5 into 1000. See, the value of number changes according to its place where it is sitting. So the importance is of place. Okay, that means place value is very important. If that 5 is sitting here in ones place, it is only 5. If it is sitting in thousands place, it becomes 5000. Okay, so now let's move ahead and understand with an example here. See here, a number is here 1329. So here it will be ones, okay, then tens, then 100, and then 1000. Okay, so when number is sitting in a place of 1, it is 9 ones. See, same thing now. Number is sitting in the place of tens, it become 2 tens. 2 tens means 2 into 10. When number is sitting in the place of 100, 300. Yes, 3 into 100. When number is sitting in the place of 1000, it become 1000. So 1 into 1000. See here, you can see ones, 9 ones, single blocks are there, single unit. Then 2 tens, group of 2 10. Then these tens make 10 tens make 100. Like that, to make 300, it will be like this. 3 group of 10 tens. Then like that, similarly thousands. Yes, 100 group of 10 tens. Okay, now let us move ahead. Okay, we will be doing few more questions in the whiteboard so that it will become more easy for you. Okay, but before that, let us see abacus. Then the same concept, nothing changed, only the platform is changed. Here we are now trying to understand the place value through abacus beads. Okay, these are beads of abacus. See here, 1000, 100, tens and ones. So if I want ask you what is the value of this number looking at the abacus, can you find out? You have done this in your previous year now. Okay, so let us count. This is the way. So firstly we will do of ones. How many? 1 2 3 4 5. So last number will be 5 ones. How many tens? 1 2 3 4. 4 tens is there. Then 200 and 1 2 3. 3000. So how we are going to read this number? 3245. Yes, this is the way to write down and read number. See, smallest and largest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Okay, so see how it is represented in abacus. 1 here. Okay, in place of 1000, see here, if I write down the number 1000, 1000. Okay, so let us, if I want to write it in abacus, let us see the place value. Ones, it is 0. Tens, it is 0. 100, it is 0. And then comes tens. Thousands. Now comes 1000. So in thousands place 1 is there. Like that we are going to write down here also. 0 0 0 0. In 1000 place 1 bead is there. Okay, so it formed 1000. If I write down about this one, 99, the greatest 4-digit number is 999 and a 9. See here, 9 beads here, 9 here, 9 here. Okay, this form the largest 4-digit number. Okay, student, let us solve few questions here in the chapter numbers. So, the first question which we are going to discuss is write the number in place value chart. That means how you, if question comes, how you are going to write this particular number in a place value chart. So for that you have to make a place value chart. So for making place value chart, we always start from ones. Since it is how many digit number? 1, 2, 3, 4. So ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Okay? Yes? And every time when we are about to write a number, every time we start from the last number or the rightmost number. And we start filling from here. So it will be 1. That means 1 ones. 5 tens. Yes? 400 and 1000. Correct? So this is the way to write down a number in a place value chart. Okay, students. Now I have given you a question. Find the place value of 7 in following numbers. Okay. In first case, this number. How we are going to find it out? 3, 4, 7, 1. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So what is the place value of 7 here? It is 7 tens. Yes, 7 tens. And what is the meaning of 7 tens? Value of 7 tens means 7 into 10, that is equal to 70. So in first number, the value of place value of 7 here is 70. Okay. Now see in this number. Here what we have to do, again same step. 1000, 100, tens, ones. Okay. So 2, 4, 3, 7. Yes, like this. So where number 7 is placed here, in this case it was placed here, and in this case it is placed in thousands place. Yes, it is sitting in thousands place. So what, how many it will be? How we will write? 7,000. And that means 7,000 means 7 into 1000. Yes, that is 7,000. Isn't it? So what is the value of 7 here? Value of 7 here is 7,000. Okay. Now see this number, student. Here again same procedure. You have to, every time you have to write down ones, tens, hundred and thousand. And if I ask you to find out the value of 7 here, so number is 3,741. 7 is placed in which C? It is placed here, isn't it? So value will be 700. That is equal to 7 into 100. That is 700. Yes. So value of 7 here, it becomes 700. And in this case, students, see this one. 1,000, 100, tens and ones. See what is the number? 3,417. So now tell me, where is 7 placed here? Here 7 is placed in ones position. Yes. So what will be the number? Number 7 ones. That is equal to 7 into 1. That is 7. Yes, every time the position of 7 is changing, so its value is also changing. Here 7 was placed in tens, so it becomes 7 tens. Here placed in thousands, so it becomes 7,000. Here 7 is placed in hundreds place. Yes, so it becomes 700. Here it is placed in ones position. See here, ones, so it becomes 1. Yes, so one more thing here I would like to share with you. One more term is there that is not given in your book, that is face value. Okay, one to you know, that is place value. Okay, the digit where it is sitting, where it is placed is called place value. And what is face value? See this number 3471. Okay, so if I ask you what is the place value of 7, let us deal with 7 only. So you will say, yes ma'am, it is ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So it is sitting in tens place. So this number becomes 7 into 10, that is 70. Correct. Place value is correct. And if I ask you what is the face value? Face value of number will always be the number itself. Whether it is present here, 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 anywhere. Face, okay, that is number itself. Okay, face value means it is number itself. Draw abacus based on number 5496. Okay, 4-digit number we are going 5496. So what you will do? Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So ones position is having 6 beats. So 1 and 6. Tens is having 9. 1 and 9. 100 is 4. 1 and 4. Yes. And 1000 is 5. 4 and 5. Like that you will draw. It is easy. If I ask you to draw 300. Yes. So how you will draw 300? You will say, ma'am, it is very simple. 300 means 3 positions are there. Ones, tens and 100. So 300 means ones, tens and 100. 100 position it is 3. 1, 2, 3. And you will leave it like this. Only then it is going to become 300. Okay. And if you do mistake like this, you made an abacus 100. Yes. And if you make 3 here, 1, 2, 3. So, and you left it blank. And you thought, okay, this is also 300. But this is wrong. Yes. Position, the importance of digit place value is very important. Here 3 is present in 100 position. So you have to make it at 100 only. Only then it is going to become 300. If you make it 3 here at ones position, then what will be the value? 003. So 003 is same as 3 only. Yes? So your answer will be long. Okay? So every time whenever your question is being asked, that time you have to pay attention. So the things we have learned today, we have understood, try to recall the concept of ones and tens here in this class, and then we understood the concept of place value.